Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Divorce Lawyers podcast, brought to you by DivorceLawyers.ca. I'm Deepa Taylor. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone navigating the legal process during a separation or divorce: maximizing your lawyer appointment. In today's episode, we'll explore how you can make the most out of your meetings with your lawyer, ensuring that every minute counts and that you're well prepared to handle the legal challenges ahead. This is especially important because when you're dealing with family law issues in Ontario, efficient use of time can translate to saving money and reducing stress. We'll be discussing key strategies to help you prepare, communicate effectively, and work collaboratively with your legal team. So, let's get started. The first step in maximizing your lawyer appointment is preparation. Think of it like going into an important meeting at work. You wouldn't walk in without an agenda, would you? The same principle applies here. Preparing for your meeting with your lawyer ensures that you can cover all the essential points without getting sidetracked. One way to do this is by writing down the questions or topics you want to discuss during your appointment. This is your opportunity to get clarity on anything that's unclear to you, whether it's about the legal process, your rights, or what to expect as your case progresses. Take some time before the meeting to think about what's on your mind and prioritize the most pressing issues. It's also helpful to gather any documents that might be relevant for your lawyer. These could be financial statements, previous legal agreements, or correspondence that's important to your case. Having your paperwork ready to go will not only save time, but also give your lawyer the necessary information to provide accurate advice. Remember, your lawyer can only work with the information you provide. So the more organized and prepared you are, the more efficiently they can assist you. Once you're in the meeting, how you communicate with your lawyer is just as important as how you prepare. Clear and concise communication can prevent misunderstandings and ensure that both you and your lawyer are aligned. A common mistake some clients make is sending multiple emails after the meeting. During stressful times, it's easy to remember things you forgot to mention or think of follow-up questions. Instead of sending many separate emails, try to consolidate your thoughts into a single, organized email that addresses all your points at once. This saves time and makes sure your lawyer has all the information in one place. During the meeting itself, listen carefully to your lawyer's advice, particularly when it comes to managing your expectations. For example, if you ask about the potential costs of your case, understand that your lawyer may not be able to give you an exact answer immediately. Costs can vary depending on the complexity of your case, how willing both parties are to negotiate, and the behavior of the opposing lawyer. Your lawyer may also advise you to resolve certain issues outside of court to keep costs down. If they do, take that advice seriously. It's often in your best interest to settle what you can through negotiation or mediation rather than going to trial. Another important aspect of maximizing your lawyer appointment is staying focused on the big picture. It's easy to get caught up in the details of your case, but not every issue needs to be litigated. Sometimes, letting go of smaller matters allows you to concentrate on the larger, more impactful issues. Your lawyer can help you decide which matters are worth fighting for, and which ones can be resolved through compromise. This approach can save you time, money, and emotional energy in the long run. For example, instead of getting fixated on every minor financial discrepancy, focus on providing your lawyer with a comprehensive and accurate financial disclosure. This includes income tax returns, bank statements, and other documents that paint a full financial picture. The more complete your information, the better your lawyer can advocate for you. It's also worth mentioning that your lawyer is just one part of your support system. If you're dealing with a contentious or emotionally charged situation, you might want to consider working with a social worker or therapist in addition to your lawyer. A social worker or therapist can help you manage the emotional aspects of your case, giving you a clearer mindset when making legal decisions. They can also provide guidance on co-parenting challenges or help you maintain your well-being during this stressful time. Having this emotional support can be invaluable, as it allows your lawyer to focus on the legal issues at hand. As we come to the end of today's episode, let's quickly review the main points we've discussed. First, preparation is key. Before your appointment, make a list of questions and gather the documents you'll need. Second, communication is crucial. Be clear and concise during the meeting and follow up with a single organized email if needed. Third, stay focused on what really matters. Let your lawyer help you prioritize the big issues and don't get bogged down by the smaller details. For personalized guidance, please consult one of our family lawyers by visiting DivorceLawyers.ca. Finally, consider bringing in additional support, such as a social worker or therapist, to help manage the emotional side of things. By following these tips, you can make the most of your lawyer appointments, saving time, money, and reducing stress along the way. Thank you for tuning in to the Divorce Lawyers podcast. I hope you found today's episode helpful. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes, feel free to reach out through our website at DivorceLawyers.ca. Until next time, take care, and remember, preparation and clear communication are your best tools for navigating the legal process successfully.